WBRC Law Call.
Well, welcome back in tonight. We're going to take a look at a viewer email before we head back to our phone lines. This one tonight is coming from Justin, and Justin says, back in July, my brother was diagnosed with cancer that is destroying his kidneys. Earlier this week, I found a notification from the city in his mailbox about an upcoming pipe replacement and the possibility of lead in his drinking water. Does he have a case? Again, Kirby, that's coming from Justin. I am assuming that Justin is wondering if that lead in the pipes may have led to his brother's kidney.
Yeah, such a sad situation. Justin, I'm so sorry that your family is going through that. Let's talk a little bit about the type of case that you would be dealing with, your family would be dealing with. They are extraordinarily difficult cases and very expensive cases for this reason. Justin, the first thing your family would have to prove is that there is a scientific link between whatever was in the water and the particular type of cancer that your brother is fighting. And then after that link is established, you have to look to the medicine side of it, and the doctors have to agree, because there could be multiple reasons for a cancer like that. So the doctors would have to then agree, yes, this scientific link we believe is the actual cause of your brother's condition. All very, very difficult to prove, all extraordinarily expensive, but we certainly would be happy to, if you want to go to our office call, to get you with somebody, or we'll take a look at it. But yeah, that's a very difficult situation.
So you would recommend a call to an attorney first, not trying to find that information out on your own?
No.
It's difficult to do.
Yes, and an attorney would know more about the specifics of what they were looking for.
Okay.
If you just do an internet search or an AI search, it's going to give you a lot of general information, but there are specific things that an attorney would be looking for. So Justin probably would be better off, and his family better off, speaking with a lawyer about that.
Okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much. And if anyone at home has more questions that they would like to ask, you can go to deliveryjustice.com, or you can go to WBRC.com, and there you can click on the Law Call link.